Hi everyone. So this is a new year and I decided to do a video on Amazon KDP, which is a less volatile way of making money, right? So in today's KDP video, I am going to be talking about book reviews. So if you've been in the KDP space for some time, you know that book reviews are very important for your book to sell. So if you want to make more sales, you have to get more reviews, right? So the more reviews you have, the more sales you're going to make. Yeah. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get more reviews, and I'm going to be talking about three major ways, basically two major ways anyways. So the first one is the very simple and organic way of getting review by simply asking. Yeah. So if you're going to be writing a low content book, a high content book, a coloring book, any book at all, you are going to have to ask for reviews in the book, be it paperback or the online version. So you are going to be asking them for reviews. Like, I'm going to be showing an example of what a review should look like for organic reviews. So basically, you're going to be keeping it in the middle of the book page, and at the end of the book you're just simply going to say if you're enjoying the book, or if you've enjoyed the book, leave us a review. You can post a link there, or you can for paperback you can keep a QR code so they can scan it to their mobile device, right? So that's how you're going to be asking for a review. So guys, this is an example of an organic way of getting reviews. So let's say this is the mid page of your book. You just like inform them that you are seeking for reviews. If you found this book helpful in any way, kindly leave us a review by step 1. Follow the link. That's if the person is using a Kindle version on a device, the person just going to use the link you're going to be dropping. So there's going to be a link after the buy. If it's Kindle, person going to follow the link to get to your review page for Amazon KDP. Then if it's a paperback, you're going to be leaving a QR code for your reviews to your book, and they're going to like scan with their using their phone. So this is how you can make people to get to give your book reviews. So there are people that would want to give reviews, but like they don't get like pushed enough to do that. Like if you like really tell them, they would actually. So if you're getting a few reads and you're not getting reviews because you're not asking, so you put this in your mid page and the last page. You want to do this like 2 times or more, so that like you can remind them. Okay. So this is just the first way of getting reviews, and this is like the simplest and most organic way you can do this, right? So guys, this is the other method of getting reviews. So for this method, it involves sites, you using a site to get reviews, and this is not review swapping. So you don't get involved with review swapping because it's going to get your account terminated, and you don't want that. But this here is not review swapping. This is a method of getting review using membership. So you're going to sign up and join either Puppy or BookBite. They basically do the same thing. So you're going to be joining any of them. Then you're going to be like reviewing other people's books, and you're going to be getting points. So with these points, you're going to be accumulating over time. You are going to use it to also ask for reviews, and people are also going to be reviewing your book. And it's also not what's it called, review swapping, because the person that's going to be reviewing your book, it's not this you won't be reviewing that person's book. They're going to be like shuffling it, so it's not going to be review for review. Okay. So there's Bobby and there's BookBite. With BookBite like is the newest. You can also do Audible reviews with BookBite and low content books. But for with Poppy here, This puppy here, you can do high content reviews, like high content books. But with this other one here, the new one, the book bites, you can do like all kinds. But with this puppy here, at the time of recording, it is just for high content books. Okay, but these sites are not free. You can have free trial, yes, but they are not free over the long time. So if you want to like take your KDP business seriously and invest, you can like get started with this, because these are going to give you good reviews and your books are definitely going to sell. So if you want to go the extra mile of investing in your KDP business, these are tools that you should get. You should just pick one of it, because they basically do the same thing. If you're really focused on high content books, go with Poppy, because they have a lot more memberships than BookBite. BookBite is like new and they don't have as much membership as compared to the other one, but they also do a lot. They have more features. So pick what's good for you and try to like scale your KDP book reviews, because it's gonna really like help you. And in addition to asking organically and using this AI, you're also going to be like ensuring that your book is perfectly formatted and has quality. Okay, and there's another site I'm going to be showing you for book reviews. Is also paid, and the name of the site is getreviews.ai. So you can basically sign up with getreview.ai. Okay, so guys, this is it, getreview.ai. This is another websites you can use in getting reviews for your book. And if you want to like get if you want me to get more in depth into like how to use all this, especially the get reviews.ai, because we get review.ai, they have like they have special features. When you sign up with them, it's also not free, it is also paid. When you sign up with them, they are going to be making the whole review experience even better. They will offer your book readers, your clients, your customers discounts and all that, and gifts. So you're going to be choosing which one you want to give for a review, choosing if you want to give a discount for reviews, or you want to give a free gift for reviews, or you want to give a free book for review. So this is how you can get really very good and verified reviews for your Amazon KDP business. So if you want to start this year with selling more books on Amazon KDP, ensure you use these methods. If you're on the part of like investing into Amazon KDP, this is a good means of investing into Amazon KDP. If you feel you don't want to like go that route yet, you can use the very first one I showed you by organically asking your readers to give your books reviews. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Ensure you hit the subscribe button and leave comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.